So this is me Shani from Tech Basics. Today in this video we'll learn about how to log into AI Lawyer. AI Lawyer is the app which offers secure, confidential legal online, giving you peace of mind with every consultation. So let's dive into the video and learn how to log into AI Lawyer. So first open your browser. After opening your browser, click on the URL and type in AI Lawyer. Now click on the first link. This is the homepage of the AI Lawyer website. Now to log in, click on the Try for Free option, which is on the top right corner. Now it will lead you to the another page. Now you can log in with your Google or with your Apple ID, or you can log in with your email and it will provide you a one-time link. Now let's log in with your email. Now type in your email. Now click on Get a one-time link. By clicking on this button, you will get a notification on your mail. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.